Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you. It's very deep so far. So far we have maybe 8 inches. I'm going to show you what it looks like down the street. It's the plow just went by somehow. See the road? You can't see the road really. So that means not safe to drive. Look at it down the street. There goes a car. It's crazy. There's no cars out. But see the mailbox? There's not like snow buildup because it's so windy, it's drifting everywhere. Now I'll go show you the icicles hanging from our roof. That might cause structural damage because the water that melts gets in between the gutter and the house and goes inside of your house. I don't know, can you see that? See the icicles? Ugh. Anyway, it's freezing cold. I'm going back inside. But see the chairs, how high up the snow comes? So that's that. There goes another car. Brave. I'll see they didn't stop. Hard to stop in these conditions. So I hope you're keeping warm because it's cold here and windy.